Hey, let me see those socks.
It's Bugs Bunny's birthday!
I know, those are really cute.
I want hot chocolate.
You been looking at me? Are you upset? Are you looking at the hot chocolate?
Can I make real hot chocolate?
Huh? Look at me.
Hi.
Hi, Valentine. Are you gonna stop running away from us? Are you gonna stop running?
Hot chocolate.
Please stop running away. You're not even. And she's a really, really good puppy. She's half shepherd, half husky. But her new trick is as soon as we open the door or the kids open a gate to go ride their bikes, she.
What? It's like he's at the bottom of the pool and all the pressure is going out.
Well, until we can teach her to stay at the door, you guys have to be really careful about when you open it to go ride your bikes or your toys that she doesn't go out. You're not going to open the door. You're going to be really careful, right, boys?
No, that's all on him. All the pressure's on him.
Darts out into the street, and I am scared to death that she gets hit by a car. So I watched tons of YouTube videos this evening, and I'm really trying to teach her to stay. In other news, we got our dog Africa at the beginning of quarantine. We rescued her, and come here, look, let me show them you. Come here, this is Africa. So she's just sitting by the door. She's just waiting to go out, but we're not gonna let her because we don't want her to run.
Hi.
And Valentine's hair is really out of control, right?
It's going awesome. It's like
at the door, not run out or not run away from us. So if anybody has any great tips or a great trainer that could help me out, that would be appreciated because we don't want anything to happen.
my sleep mask.
Your hair?
Yeah.
So when it's dark, you just put it over your eyes,
Yeah.
and it becomes your sleep mask so no light could get in. Marcelo's too. It's really long. We're gonna wait for school.
There's a gorilla in there, and it.
So we are in full protection mode at the beach house. Open the doors. It's a beautiful day. Woo, it's a windy day. Here we go. I'm a biker. I was terrible when I started, but now I'm getting better. I mean, this is crazy.
See the direction.